Good morning, third grade. I'm very excited to start our very first virtual lesson on this wonderful Monday morning. We are going to be starting our exploration of the measurement and data standards today with 3.MD.1, and your target for that is I can tell time and measure time intervals to the nearest minute. Also, I can use a number line to solve word problems. So for this lesson, you will need a stopwatch. As you see here, this is a typical or standard stopwatch, but I wanted to let you know that you can also find one on Google on your Chromebooks, and many of us have them on watches, electronic watches that you might wear, or even on your cell phones. And I am currently using the one that is located on my cell phone. So I don't even have one of these fancy stopwatches that's in this picture. So I wanted to make sure that you knew that and that you had it ready. All right, I just want you to take a moment to think about the idea of time. Like 5 seconds. If it takes me 5 seconds to just tie one of my shoes, does that take me a very long time? Yes or no? Did you say no? Yeah, it's not a very long amount of time. So let's see how long a second is. Listen carefully. That was not very long, was it? Let's try that again. I'll say start when I start the timer. Start. Very fast. So take a moment and see how long 40 seconds is. So pause this video and use your stopwatch and see how long 40 seconds is. So 40 seconds is about how long it takes me to tie 8 shoes. So think about that. If it takes me 5 seconds to tie one shoe, it would take me 40 seconds to tie 8 shoes. Seconds are units of time. They're smaller than a minute, so we use them to measure short amounts of time. What other things might we measure using seconds? Tell somebody at your house what you might measure using seconds. So we're going to do a little activity together, but first I want you to estimate. In a moment, we're going to use a stopwatch to see how long it takes you to snap your fingers 10 times. First, we're going to see Miss Erickson do it. Well, we're not going to see me do it, but we're going to time me doing it. Before we even do that, though, I want you to estimate about how long you think it'll take me to snap my fingers 10 times. What do you think? Okay, do you have your timers ready? I've got my fingers ready. All right. Ready, set, time me. What'd you get? How long did it take me to snap my fingers 10 times? Okay, now you try it and have somebody time you. This last one's fun. You get to get up out of your seat. But again, you'll need somebody to help you out with this one because they'll need to man the stopwatch for you. We're going to see how long it takes you to do 20 jumping jacks. You can pretend that Miss Erickson is over here doing my jumping jacks because you can't see me on this video. But of course, I did mine. You'll have to leave me a comment to tell me how long it took you to do your 20 jumping jacks. I'm trying to see if you know how to measure time. So remember to think about that as you reply back to me. How should you label your answer? Should you just give me a number, or should you label it in a unit of measurement? Okay, so this is where you're going to want to pause the video. Make sure you have your stopwatch ready. And have fun with this one. Okay, now that you've finished that one, be ready to come back to the Google Classroom for our Google Meet. And we'll be doing that every day at 9:15 Monday through Friday I look forward to seeing you then, and be ready with any questions that you might have, any complications that you're facing, anything that is really easy and fun for you. But I will see you then at 9:15, my third graders.